Welcome, explorers! Today, we're traveling across the universe to discover the incredible size differences between planets. From tiny rocky worlds to gigantic cosmic giants larger than Jupiter itself. I'm Professor Nova, and this is Sizeverse. Now, let's begin our journey through space. Some planets are smaller than Earth's moon, while others are so gigantic they could swallow thousands of Earth's whole. But the final world in this video is so massive that even Jupiter looks tiny beside it. And trust me, the scale difference will completely shock you. First is the moon. Although the moon is not technically a planet, it helps us understand how small some worlds in space can be. The moon measures around 3,474 kilometers in diameter. Compared to Earth, it looks surprisingly tiny. If Earth were the size of a basketball, the moon would only be about the size of a tennis ball. Astronauts first landed on the moon in 1969 during the historic Apollo missions. Even today, the moon remains the closest object humans have ever visited in space. Second is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It measures about 4,879 kilometers across. Despite being the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury is not the hottest planet. Because it has almost no atmosphere, temperatures change dramatically between day and night. During the day, the surface becomes extremely hot, but at night, temperatures drop far below freezing. A single year on Mercury lasts only 88 Earth days. Third is Mars. Mars is often called the red planet because of its dusty red surface. It measures around 6,779 kilometers wide. Scientists believe Mars once had rivers, lakes, and maybe even oceans. Today, many space agencies are studying Mars because humans may one day live there. Mars also contains the tallest volcano in the solar system, called Olympus Mons. This giant volcano is nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Fourth is Venus. Venus is almost the same size as Earth, which is why scientists sometimes call it Earth's twin. But the environment on Venus is extremely dangerous. Its thick atmosphere traps heat so effectively that Venus becomes hotter than Mercury. Surface temperatures are hot enough to melt metal. The pressure on Venus is also incredibly intense. A human would not survive there even for a few seconds. Fifth is Earth. Earth measures around 12,742 kilometers in diameter. So far, it remains the only known planet that supports life. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, making it appear bright blue from space. Earth's atmosphere protects living things from dangerous radiation and helps maintain the perfect temperature for life. Without Earth's atmosphere, life as we know it would not exist. Sixth is Neptune. Neptune is nearly 4 times wider than Earth. This giant icy world experiences some of the fastest winds ever recorded in the solar system. Some storms on Neptune move faster than the speed of sound. Because Neptune is so far from the Sun, 1 year there lasts around 165 Earth years. That means a person born on Neptune would never complete a single Neptune year in their lifetime. Seventh is Uranus. Uranus is another massive ice giant. What makes this planet unusual is its sideways rotation. Scientists believe a gigantic collision long ago may have knocked the planet over. Unlike most planets, Uranus rotates almost completely sideways. Its pale blue color comes from methane gas in the atmosphere. Eighth is Saturn. Saturn is famous for its enormous ring system. The planet is so large that more than 760 Earths could fit inside it. Even though Saturn is gigantic, it is mostly made of gas. Scientists believe Saturn could actually float in water because its density is very low. Its glowing rings are made from ice, rock, and dust. Ninth is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Over 1,300 Earths could fit inside Jupiter. Its famous Great Red Spot is actually a gigantic storm, larger than Earth itself. This storm has been raging for hundreds of years. Jupiter's gravity is so powerful that it helps protect Earth by pulling dangerous asteroids away from the inner solar system. Before we continue, if you're enjoying these planet-size comparisons, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more amazing comparisons. 10th is HD 100546b. This giant exoplanet exists far beyond our solar system. Scientists believe this world may be several times larger than Jupiter. The planet is still forming, which means it continues growing even today. Compared to Earth, its size is almost impossible to imagine. 11th is ROXS 42BB. This strange alien world is extremely hot and massive. Scientists believe its atmosphere may contain clouds made from minerals and dust. ROXS 42BB is so enormous that it looks more like a small star than a planet. 12th is HAT P67b. This planet is one of the puffiest worlds ever discovered. Even though it is extremely large, its density is surprisingly low. Scientists describe it as a giant planet that is incredibly light for its size. Its atmosphere stretches far into space. 13th is WASP-17b. This giant world is nearly twice the size of Jupiter. Its atmosphere is so expanded that the planet appears bloated and enormous. WASP-17b also orbits its star backwards, which makes it even more unusual. 14th is TRES-4b. This planet is so large and lightweight that scientists once compared it to a floating ball. Its low density shocked astronomers when it was first discovered. Despite its giant size, the planet remains one of the lightest known gas giants. Finally, let's compare these planets to something truly gigantic. Scuti is not a planet. It is one of the largest known stars in the universe. Compared to Scuti, even Jupiter starts looking tiny. If this giant star replaced our sun, it could stretch beyond the orbit of Jupiter itself. The scale difference is almost impossible for the human mind to understand, and this reminds us just how enormous the universe truly is. From tiny rocky worlds to giant planets larger than anything most people can imagine, space is filled with unbelievable size differences. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing size comparisons.